and welcome back to Sane Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, congratulations messages are pouring in for the gospel artist Ayanda Ntanzi'S, known with his songs Sempini Uyihlangu Sethu, Ikhona Indawo, and many more. Apparently, today, guys, Ayanda Ntanzi'S got married to a lady by the name Sane. Good news was shared by Ntokozo Mbata on her Facebook page, and it reads, Gogo Record Music Family Sifikile Sashadisa #umembeso #Ayanda no Sane. So guys, Ayanda is completely out of the market. Usethathile ngesizulu. Ngiyazi abanye they will ask themselves ukuthi ubembesa or ubeshada. I'm not so sure with that, but umembeso uhanjiswa after usuwakhokhe wonke amalobolo, and these days, guys, most people they combine the two, umembeso nomshado. So I assume Ayanda Ntanzi'S wenze kanjalo, as Ntokozo Mbambo posted. Ayanda is one of the people who are very secretive, and ungomunye wabantu abangashare kakhulu about their personal life on social media. In all his social media platform, he never mentioned anything about his big day. Even my colleagues akhe akwa gospel ojambo no Dume Mkokstad no Tina Zungu azange bayithi vu. But anyway, guys, we wish them all the best nonkosikazi wakhe kule journey yabenja bayiqalayo. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and let's celebrate with the Ntanzi'S family. Bye.